Did you know that you can play games in Telegram? I mean, it's crazy, but it's possible. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to play game in your Telegram app. So without any further delay, let's dive right in. So in order to do that, of course, we have to get in the app. So let's tap into the app, and here at the search bar, let's go here, and at the search bar you can tap in game bot. So this is the very first option. Let's tap in there, and it says I can get you 3 fun plays. Okay, let's tap in play with friends. So let's go through our contacts and let's tap in one of our friends, and here you can choose whichever game you want to play. So let's choose Math Battle, and that's it. Now you can tap that option that says play Math Battle, and this is how you play games in Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If you have any queries, please do not hesitate and comment in the comment section down below. I'll be more than happy to help you with that. Also, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching.